Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my date night bag. I'm going out on a date with my hubby tonight, which I have been so looking forward to all week long, and I had to pull out my date night bag. This is the bag I almost always take out on a date night. I feel like it's just a little bit dressier. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma PM. And I thought, since I was pulling it out, I might as well give you guys a review on this bag. I'll show you what I'm going to take with me on my date night, and I'm also going to show you a mod shot at the end of my complete date night look. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So Louis Vuitton does his bags so well. I've had this bag for about 2 years now, and I have worn the heck out of it. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love everything about this. I feel like it's a little bit more dressy of a bag, which is why I always select this one for date night. So this is in the Monogram print, and it has the untreated vachetta leather. So that means that over time it will patina, it will age a little bit and turn into this beautiful kind of honey color, and I absolutely love it. So it does come with these metal feet on the bottom, which is just phenomenal. I absolutely love that feature. It's super structured. I am a structured handbag kind of girl. It did not come with a shoulder or a crossbody strap. Again, I usually wear most of my bags either top handle or on the crook of my arm. So this is a perfect bag for me. Now, I did go on Amazon and I picked up a vachetta leather strap, and that cost me $20. And I just wanted it in case I needed to be hands-free, but I just know I'm not going to use it enough to warrant buying it from the Louis Vuitton website and spending $200 or $300 for a strap that I probably will seldom use. In fact, I've probably used the one I got off Amazon once or twice in the 2 years I've owned this bag. So I think it was a good decision to just buy a cheap one off Amazon. So it does come with the lock and key, which is definitely one of Louis Vuitton's trademarks, to have a lock on his bags. I think it's so beautiful. It does have the two-way zipper, and it has the double handles. It is so pretty. So then inside the bag, I'll show you. It's just one really large compartment. It does have two slip pockets, and there's my $20 strap I picked up. Now, if you want to see it up close, it really does look exactly like the Louis Vuitton vachetta leather strap. And I really can't complain about a $20 strap. It's just really good for the money. And it looks absolutely beautiful. You are able to attach it with these really great little D-rings here. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And right here as well. So there we have that. If we need it, we have it. And that works really, really well. So let me just go ahead and give you the dimensions of this bag. So it is 12.6 inches in length. It is 9.8 inches in height, and it is 6.3 inches in depth. So it is absolutely a good size bag. Again, this is the Alma PM, and it is absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and pack this bag for date night. I really don't need a lot to go on a date with my husband, but I do like to have all the things. So I'm going to begin with my Louis Vuitton Monogram wallet. This is the Clemens wallet. I picked this up when I got the bag because I wanted my wallet to match. So I have this one. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there. Lots and lots of room. And then I also have this pouch that I got with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And so anytime I use this bag, I kind of use this as my makeup pouch. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you that I have my hand sanitizer. I have my MAC Fix Plus, so I can freshen up if I need to. I have a powder, a face wipe, some lip gloss, a lipstick, and a face powder. So I have all of my essentials in this. It's such a good little pouch. I love to use it. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And then I'm also going to add my key pouch. Now, I'll probably be going in my husband's car, so I probably don't need it, but I always take my car keys just in case. And then I'll take my sunglasses, even though it's going to be dark and I don't need them, I'm sure, but I always take my sunglasses with me. It's just what I do. And then my cell phone would go with me so I can take a photo at the restaurant. I'll also be taking my phone charger and some mints, and it just fits everything, and there's still plenty of room. So pretty, so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and take the strap back off because I'm going to be wearing this top handle. I just feel like it's a little bit dressier, and that's what I'm going for tonight on my date night. I'm also going to go ahead and add my little bag charm just to kind of give it a little bit of pizzazz. And there we have the Alma PM. So the retail on this bag is $1,960. It was a few $100s less when I picked it up a couple years ago, but I will say this is the most beautiful bag. I love it so much. Now, I feel like the wear and tear over the last 2 years has not been too bad. Like I said, it is the vachetta leather. It is going to stain easier than the damier bean because it has treated leather. So it does have some wear and tear, but overall it still looks absolutely beautiful and brand new. So really pretty. I'm very excited to take this with me on date night. I'm going to go ahead and give you a mod shot with the outfit I'm wearing tonight for date night. So stay tuned for that. So this is my date night look. I am really excited to be going out on a date night tonight. This is the outfit I'll be wearing with my Louis Vuitton Alma PM. I just feel like it's a really pretty, dressy, classy handbag, and I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like it, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye!